everybody, my name is Zoe Amtway. I am a fashion business student here at ASU FIDM. I was actually in the ASU FIDM Club when I was in high school. Today we're going to go over how to iron on your ASU FIDM logo onto your stole for graduation. So first off, for today's project, the first thing you're going to want is a plain blank graduation stole. Then you're going to need transfer paper. The one we use in this tutorial is specifically made for light fabric. Then you're going to print the logo that we've given you onto the transfer paper. Make sure when you print it that it is mirrored. Then you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. And the last material you'll need is an iron set to about 350 to 375 degrees. Now that you've gathered your materials, we're going to go ahead and get started. First, you're going to draw a straight plus sign on the back of the printed logo so you know your logo is ironed on straight. The next step of the project is you're going to cut the logo out of the transfer paper. So you're going to cut around the edges, make sure it's nice and clean, so you don't have any leftover residue on your stole. After you've cut your logo, you're going to go ahead and make sure that your stole is clean of any dust and ironed flat. And once that is completed, you're going to place the logo onto the stole and make sure that the words are straight across and not crooked. And then we'll go ahead and start ironing. You're going to hold down the iron on top of the logo for about 40 to 60 seconds. It just depends on the fabric that you're using. For this particular stole, I ironed it for about 45 seconds and that seemed to be good. And then make sure the corners and all of the edges of the circle are totally flat. After you're done ironing your logo, you're going to let it cool for about 5 to 10 seconds so you don't burn your fingers. And then you can begin to peel up the paper and the logo will be revealed. Now that we've finished ironing on the logo, you can go ahead and decorate your stole however you want. You can add ribbons, rhinestones, you can paint it. If you know how to sew, you can add your own patches or your own pieces of fabric. Whatever your heart desires, go for it. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, the process was really easy, maybe took 5 minutes of your time. Thank you so much for being a ASU FIDM Fashion Club member while you were in high school, and congratulations on graduating. We look forward to seeing you at ASU FIDM soon.